In this video, I'm gonna show you my top 10 street foods in Dotonbori, Osaka. We're in Dotonbori, the most iconic street in this city. There are so many people here, but there's even more delicious food. Are you ready? Let's get eating. Number 1. Takoyaki cheese dog from YUKI no HANA. The cheese dog is a Korean street food that has suddenly taken the street food world by storm. This place does it one better by adding 3 takoyaki on top along with all of the fixins. So this is the takoyaki cheese dog. You can see it's got the sauce on there, the takoyaki sauce, the mayonnaise, the katsuobushi, and some green nori. And you can't really see it, but right actually on top are takoyaki that have been deep fried and sort of fused into it like some kind of accident at a glass blowing factory. I don't even know if I can fit this in my mouth. That is just a big log of cheese with that takoyaki on top. My mouth is a mess, but this thing is actually really, really good. Oh, it's so good. It's so cheesy. Oh my gosh. This is not something that you would find in Osaka. This is a brand new thing. It's sort of a fusion between Korean street junk food and Japanese junk food. And together, they just make a beautiful, beautiful harmony of deliciousness. Number 2. Takoyaki from Odori Takoyaki. Odori literally means dancing, which is what you'll be doing when you see the whole octopus that's cooked inside. Yeah, it might look like something that you'd see in a horror sci-fi movie, but trust me, this is one of the most delicious and unique takoyaki you can try on Dotonbori. And it is smoking hot, so let's not try to give ourselves third-degree burns here. We've been eating so many takoyakis here that they all just kind of start to taste the same, but this one actually really does stand out thanks to that whole taco in there, that whole octopus, because oftentimes the little chunk of octopus can get lost. And it does add some of its own sort of like octopusy, seafoody juice in there, so you get more of a stronger taste of seafood in this one. Number 3. Pudding from Mattari Pudding. You'll find this small shop right at the end of Dotonbori. It's easy to miss, but keep your eyes out for this place because they have some of the most delicious puddings that you could ever try. They're so good that the famous Japanese cross-dressing queen person, Matsuko Deluxe, even did a segment on Japanese TV about it. At 350 yen per cup, it's not cheap, but trust me, this is no ordinary pudding. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. It's so thick and so incredibly creamy, like the white cheese that you put on crackers. What's that one called? Philadelphia cream cheese. That's it. It's really, really rich, lightly sweetened, but once it dissolves in your mouth, it's kind of gone. The flavor lingers, but it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel greasy or anything like that.
Can just a pudding be that nice? What is this? This is like a totally new texture of sweets. What is this? This is heaven. Oh, I need to get another one.
She's going to get another one. She really likes it. Pudding number 2. What you got there? What you got there? Number 4. Malasada from Honolulu Coffee. When you need a break from the crowds, duck into Honolulu Coffee. With a variety of coffees, pancakes, and desserts, it's a great place to relax and enjoy the view of the river. We got the Malasada, a Portuguese-style donut that's popular in Hawaii. Coated in cinnamon sugar, it's an awesome sweet treat.
It's really hot. I've never eaten this before, Malasada, but it tastes very nostalgic. Cinnamon, a little sugar. The dough is like super duper soft. It just melts in your mouth.
Number 5. Skewered meats from Creoe-ru. Creoe-ru is a takoyaki shop that you can find on the main strip of Dotonbori, but hidden along the river is a smaller branch that focuses on skewered meat. And for me, anytime I think of street food, I always have to get some meat on a stick. So we stopped by to get a few little skewers here. We have the pork and the gesso, which is a squid, and you can see there's a tentacle right there along with chunks of squid. It's nice, hot, and fresh, and I hit it with that blowtorch. juicy, fatty, porky, and that sauce on top, it's like a simple kind of soy sauce, a little bit of sweetness. And we got this thing, it's like a monster, look at that. The sauce is nice, it's like a really garlicky soy sauce, really good. And the squid has a nice charred flavor to it. It's crispy on those charred edges, which gives it a nice little crunch. And that's really nice and meaty. Number 6, mixed juice from Taro's parlor. While you're here, don't forget to visit Taro, the mascot of Dotonbori. He might look a little scary, but don't worry, he is absolutely friendly. And while you're here, don't forget to grab an Osaka classic mixed juice. This fruit smoothie is a beloved drink of Japan from yesteryear, and at 400 yen for a regular or 300 yen for a mini, it's a low price for a delicious drink. Ooh, that is nice! Wow! So it's a really good fruit smoothie. There's some banana in there. You can taste a little bit of like tang from some orange. It's got a lot of nice fruity flavors in there. Nice and sweet. It's got some crushed ice, so it really goes well, especially on a hot summer day. Number 7, Kinako Dango from JANKARA KARAOKE. This stall is run by the karaoke place itself, and we decided to pick up a classic, grilled mochi coated with roasted sesame bean powder. It's nice and warm because they heat it up on the grill. The kinako has a really nice kind of nutty peanut buttery taste to it, and the molasses gives it a really nice sweetness. So, and it's not hard. Some mochi is like really hard and chewy or cold. This is nice and warm, and it kind of melts in your mouth a little bit. Number 8, dumplings aflame from Osaka Osho. With a name like that, who can resist? And you definitely won't be able to resist this place with a giant dumpling sign out front. Osaka Osho is one of the oldest Chinese restaurant chains in the Kansai area, and it's a fantastic place to grab some gyoza or dumplings aflame. It is steaming hot, freshly cooked, and covered with some sauce, and you can see there's some dried chili pepper right on top, along with that green onion and that sesame seed. It's got a nice filling, really soft and tender meat and vegetables inside. And that sauce is interesting. I can't really put my finger on what it is, but it kind of reminds me of some sauces that I've had in Korea. But that chili pepper is really spicy, so it's a chilly day today, so this is actually really nice because it's heating me up now. Number 9, takoyaki from JYUU Hachiban. This is one of the most famous takoyaki shops on Dotonbori. Serving up hot, fresh takoyaki every single day, they have to be. We got the classic mayo sauce takoyaki right here.
Their specialty is, as you saw, they use a lot of tempura bits. So I assume it's very crunchy and soft inside. Make sure to use 2 sticks when you pick it up, okay? Because if you use only one, it's gonna be like this. Ooh, dangerous! You might drop it. But if you use 2, stop, stable, huh? This is how you eat takoyaki, okay? Itadakimasu. Wow, it's like super creamy, and the outside is a little bit crunchy from the tempura bits. I heard this place use milk in the batter, so it's very creamy and silky inside.
Number 10. Beef menchikatsu from Hariju. This huge building houses a butcher shop, steak restaurant, and curry restaurant all in one. Known for serving very high quality beef, we went for their beef menchikatsu, a fried minced meat pie. All right, so we got one of my favorite treats, menchikatsu. This is filled with like a ground beef, some onions, and some other goodies, fried in a little pie, and it smells heavenly. So good. The place that we got this from, it's actually known for their beef. Their meat is supposed to be really high quality. Oh. The meat inside is so tender, beefy, delicious. You can taste the slightest hint of Worcester sauce in there.
Wow, this is the best mascot I ever had.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like I'm almost eating like a very, very super tender steak.
Are you guys full yet? Well, you better not be. There's so much more to eat in this city, so let me know what you want to see in the next video. Also, please help out this channel by giving this video a like and sharing it. I got way too many food spots to share with you guys, so hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss any of it.